In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this paper moving flexagon. Let's see how all this can transform. First, it is like this circular shape. If you open it up like this, it becomes into an 8-pointed star. Again, if you do it like this, it becomes into this shape. And once more, if you do it like this, become like this, which can be continued. So I'm going to show you how to make this, which is starting right now. My name is Sanjay from Salem Art and Craft channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to do crafts and drawings, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Now let's start doing this. First, take a 10 to 10 centimeter and fold from here to here. From this corner to this one. Now open it again and fold from here to here. The other two corners. Now open again and turn it to the other side first. Then hold these two edges, bring them together and then fold it once. And on this side, this middle part, you just push it down and bring these two together and fold it so you get a triangular shape. Now there will be two flaps on each side. Move the right flap towards the left, only one, and then turn it to the other side and do the same again, one towards this side. Now you'll have a crease in the middle, so just fold it till the crease like this. And do the same on this side. After you do this, do it on the other side also. So this one and then the other. Now after you fold it over here just a little bit, you have to fold it like this and do it on all the four sides. Now after you finish this, you'll get this shape. So you have to make 8 of them like this. After you make all the 8 of them, just keep everything aside first and then take one and one more you just take. I'm doing a different color so it look nice. It's your choice, you can do it the same or different. Then take one and put it inside the other one. So there will be a hole in the middle, just put it inside that. Both of them you have to put. So just put it and press it down fully. Then fold this one down like this. Then take another one and do the same how you did it to the other. So inside this hole you have to put it. Put both of them inside and just push it down. Like this, do it to all of the papers. So after finishing all of them, you'll have this shape. So the last one also you have to just put it inside the other. After you finish this, your paper moving flexagon is ready. So this is the 8-pointed star. So when you turn it again, you get this shape, and once more if you turn it, you will get the circular shape. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you want to learn more crafts and drawing, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you don't miss anything. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a like and share this video to whoever likes to do crafts, and write your comments on the comment section of how this craft is. Thank you.